I'm Dr. Satish Kumar, Vice Chancellor of City University. I did my PhD from IIT Roorkee in civil engineering, that is in structural dynamics. I'm here, I'm looking after the civil engineering students and training them and looking after their placements as well. Now, if we look at the civil engineering profile or civil engineering discipline, every day construction activities increasing in the country and abroad. Whether we talk about the housing projects, whether we talk about the road constructions, whether we talk about irrigation projects, whether we talk about anything regarding civil engineering, in environmental also, soil foundation engineering also, the demand is increasing day by day. So there is a full demand of civil engineering which is not going to end at any point of time, because for mankind to survive, housing is the requirement and industrial structures are the requirement to grow. Therefore, requirement of civil engineering is always there, it will be there, it is there. And here at City University, we are training our students on STAD-Pro programs, STAD-Pro softwares, where they will learn about structural design of buildings, structures, bridges, and then we are training them on Primavera also software, where they will be trained on construction technology, construction management of buildings. So our faculty is equipped enough for all the softwares, as well as our labs are fully equipped for practical training of the students. We are sending for 6 months training on the on-site projects, where the students are trained practically and they get to know what is there in civil engineering all about, right from design to construction. So I, as a Vice Chancellor, also taking part in interacting and training of the students, and we are looking for the placement of the students as well for civil engineering. Thank you.